Imagine if a simple glass of water with baking soda could transform your digestion, ease heartburn, and supercharge your workouts. Have you ever battled relentless heartburn, sluggish digestion, or draining post-exercise fatigue? These common issues can steal your energy and hint at deeper imbalances. Instead of relying solely on expensive medications, what if there was a natural, cost-effective solution? In this video, we reveal how baking soda water works, uncovering its surprising benefits and potential risks. Stay tuned to learn how this everyday kitchen ingredient might restore your balance and revolutionize your wellness routine. Just a polite reminder that this video is for educational purposes only, and that you should always consult your doctor before utilizing any natural cures. Understanding baking soda. What it is. Baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda or sodium bicarbonate, is a natural alkaline compound prized for its chemical reaction with acids. This reaction produces carbon dioxide, which is why it's essential in recipes and even in some household cleaning hacks. How it works. When mixed with water, this chemical reaction helps neutralize excess stomach acid, offering temporary relief from conditions like heartburn. Whether you're curious about the health benefits of baking soda or wondering what baking soda does to your body, its science is both simple and compelling. pH balance and digestion. The science. Your body meticulously regulates blood pH between 7.35 and 7.45. However, modern diets can lead to increased acidity in areas such as urine and digestive fluids. This is where baking soda water comes in. It helps neutralize excess acid temporarily, potentially easing digestive discomfort. Quick tip: grab some pH test strips in the morning and check your urine's acidity. This simple test can offer insights into your overall pH balance and how dietary choices affect you. Natural antacid for acid reflux. How it helps. For those battling the burning discomfort of acid reflux, a simple remedy is at hand. Dissolving 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and sipping it slowly on an empty stomach can counteract excess stomach acid and alleviate heartburn. Safety reminder: moderation is crucial. Overusing this remedy might trigger rebound acidity, where your stomach produces even more acid. Kidney health and stone prevention. Research insight. Emerging studies suggest that consuming a small amount of baking soda water can help maintain an alkaline environment in urine, which may reduce the risk of kidney stones. This alkaline shift supports kidney function by preventing the crystallization of minerals. Usage guidelines. Start with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda mixed in water each morning. However, if you have kidney issues or high blood pressure, consult your doctor first, since the sodium content in baking soda could be a concern. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates. And I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to enhancing athletic performance. Mechanism. During strenuous exercise, lactic acid accumulates in your muscles, causing that burning sensation and early fatigue. Baking soda acts as a buffer, potentially delaying this acid buildup and extending your endurance during workouts. Dosage and tips. A recommended dose is approximately 0.2 to 0.3 grams per kilogram of body weight, taken 60 to 90 minutes before exercise. It's wise to begin with a lower dose to test your tolerance. Skin, oral, and immune benefits. Additional uses. Baking soda water isn't just beneficial for internal health. It can serve as a natural deodorizer, enhance oral hygiene by gently removing stains when mixed with toothpaste, and even function as a mild exfoliant for clearer skin. Application tips. For oral care, try blending a small amount of baking soda with your regular toothpaste. For skin, create a paste by mixing baking soda with water. Apply it as a mask for a few minutes before rinsing off. Safety considerations. While baking soda water offers potential benefits, it isn't appropriate for everyone. Individuals with high blood pressure, heart conditions, or kidney issues should exercise caution. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a healthcare provider before use. The high sodium content in baking soda can affect cardiovascular health, so it's important to be mindful of your overall diet and any pre-existing conditions. Dosage, timing, and ingestion. Always adhere to recommended dosages to avoid adverse effects. For internal use, it's best to take baking soda on an empty stomach. Ingesting it with a full stomach may lead to digestive discomfort or worsen gastrointestinal issues. Starting with a low dose allows you to gauge your body's response, as overconsumption might trigger electrolyte imbalances, stomach upset, or increased blood pressure. Daily pH monitoring. Additionally, measure your urine pH every morning on an empty stomach using pH test strips. This routine helps ensure that your acid-alkaline balance stays within a normal range. Typically, a healthy urine pH should be between 4.6 and 8.0, with an optimal average around 6.0. Tracking these numbers can give you clear insight into how your diet and baking soda intake are affecting your overall pH levels. Topical use guidelines. When applying baking soda to your skin, limit the contact time to just a few minutes. Extended exposure can irritate the skin or even cause abrasions, negating the intended benefits. Always rinse off thoroughly after a short application to minimize any risk of irritation. Misconceptions and clarifications. Blood pH is usually maintained within a narrow range of 7.35 to 7.45, and this level is highly regulated. In contrast, urine pH can vary between 4.6 and 8.0 due to factors such as diet and overall health, with an average around 6.0. Consuming baking soda does not directly alter blood pH, because the body's strong regulatory systems, such as the kidneys and lungs, maintain blood pH within its normal range. Although baking soda can temporarily change the pH of the stomach or urine, it does not have a significant effect on blood pH. Frequently asked questions. How often can I safely consume baking soda water? Answer. Occasional use is best. Generally, 1 to 2 times per week is sufficient, unless your doctor advises otherwise. Can baking soda water interact with medications? Answer. Yes. If you're taking medications for heart or kidney conditions, consult your healthcare provider first. If you found this video helpful and want more science-backed wellness tips, please like, comment, and subscribe. Always consult your doctor for personalized advice. Stay informed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're as fascinated by home remedies as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to uncover natural solutions and helpful home tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey to baking soda water. Embrace health. Celebrate life.